And Cagayan Valley looking good, but Philippine Army also playing a little better right now. Yonko back in the lineup. And Sandra De Los Santos tries to bring out one of her magical serves once again. Torres, Salak, Dalia Cruz. Torres keeps it alive. Here's Mayet. Torres cannot handle it.
The defense of Cagayan really impeccable at this stage. You know, Coach Rico is desperately trying to find a combination that can counter this attack by Cagayan.
Looks like a pretty good lineup here for the Philippine Army.
Oh yeah, it's just the gelling right now that's a question.
Reception by Cruz. Again, that one goes a little too high, and that was overreaching. Got a back row attacker there. Substitutions coming in. Jack Alarca returns for Yari Yonko. Michelle Carolino will also come in for Dalia Cruz.
11 out, 9, Carolino.
The lead is 5 now for Cagayan Valley. Who would have thought na itong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley could pull off this kind of a coup right now? Up 2-0 and up 5 points in the third set.
You know, that's a good sign for Cagayan because it's obviously they are peaking at the right moment.
Right. Oh, wow. Tobino, all by herself, gets it done.
Single block coverage.
Wow.
And an in-your-face type of block.
Ganda pa ng timing. Look at this. She knew exactly where Carolina was going to go to. Timeout, Army.
Hindi matapos. Sagay natin. Hindi lang puro okay. Magtrabaho tayo. Ha? Paging masiglahe dun sa loob. Wala, matamlay tayo. Makapalo lang tayo. Tinitingnan natin yung kasama natin. Okay lang. Isirap nyo yung kasama nyo. Nagkamali na. Isirap nyo pa rin. Magtulungan sa loob. Magtulungan. Ha? Hindi pa tapos. Laban tayo.
19-13. Philippine Army. This is a best of 3, by the way, and of course, since it is a best of 3, we are inviting you here to the Ninoy Aquino Stadium, and you can watch these games absolutely free. Just visit any Shakey's branch in the Makati, Manila area, and with every 500 peso purchase, you get a free general admission ticket, so you can still catch the semifinals of the Shakey's V-League. This is game 1 of the best of 3 affair between these squads. Salak, oh, what a good set there for Alarca. Great block again by Alarca.
Well, they need more of that from Alarca, Dakis, and Mayet Carolina.
Yeah, they're in front right now. So it is at this juncture. This is very crucial with this rotation. Na yung tatlong yan nasa harapan. Andaya. Born Pimol over the defense. Salak. Carolino. Dakis steps back. Andaya too low that time. Tobino pushes it across.
Good dig.
Dakis. And that is blocked and out.
Well, that could be a good start for this Army squad.
I like this the thing that also Michelle Carolino is doing with his Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Carolino makes very few mistakes on her serve. And this is a pretty good front line for the Philippine Army. Well, except for that, Lunag could not reach it. Tobino played very well here today.
That's right. Tobino informed them all, actually.
20-15, 5 abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. Cases. Lunag. Salak for Dakis. And Dakis just happens to see that the defense was on its way down when she attacked there.
That's the hardest to get. If you're on your way down, you touch the ball, and then the ball's going down with you.
2016. Mayet. Back set now. Forward ball cross court.
Oh, what a sorry error there. Into the net by Team Army. That spike actually went wide for Cagayan.
Yep, net violation against the Army. So that is now 5 points. Ang kalamangan dito ng Cagayan Valley. Salak. Jonella knows exactly where she's going with it. Tobino. Here's Dakis. Getting it across. Running attack. Tobino. Stopped momentarily there. Michelle Carolino gets it across. Andaya, good idea, bad result.
That's right. And of course, looking at Coach Mike, he was like, not now.
Can't get too cute. Army's only down here by 4. Malayo pa yan.
Oh, they've been down for like 10 points. Remember that game?
Yeah.
And they went on to win that set but lost the match. Good serve.
Here's Chewy William getting it across. Mayat Carolino. Salak going to Dakis once again. Dakis tries to tip it over. Wow. Presence of mind for Rachel Ann Dakis.
That's right. Dakis now working hard for Team Army. As you can see her trying to pump her teammates up.
The lead is down to 3, and here is the same substitution in the first set. With Jen Manzano, and I think they'll disallow it because it came late. Pwede daw. Hindi pa pala. Oh, again for the second time. I think a timeout will be called here by Cagayan. O mamaya na daw. What was it, Noreen?
A delay.
Dapat
Warning.
nakapagsabi.
That's a yellow card, and now may reklamo naman galing dito sa Army. Sinasabi, talagang delay daw yon.
That's actually weird.
I don't know.
That play is the first time I saw that sub and then no sub.
No, but sometimes they disallow the sub because it happens too soon. An ace by Alarca. Now the substitution can happen. But first the timeout will be called by Mike Rafael as this lead has now shrunk to just 2.
Listen, I don't really want to see you. I'm so sorry.
Look at how many vocal leaders they have on that bench. April Sartin. You also saw Nikita Bafunda, who was also the setter of Lyceum, also there. Joy Cases, there's Jane Diaz, and it looks like this substitution will happen first. It is Jane Diaz coming in for Point Pimol. Now this is more coverage at the back. Jane Diaz, of course, an MVP in the NCAA for beach volleyball. So she knows how to cover a court. Yeah, that's beyond tan already. Here's Alarca. Andaya forced to attack. Salak now. Here's Andaya going to Tubino. Net violation against Bunag or Salak. Number 3 daw, si Bunag.
Funny again. It was kind of obvious it was her because she was the one who violated it. No, it's not me.
Pinoy na Pinoy talaga. Agad sa 3 na naman ang kalamangan. Here's Salak on the quick set to Bunag. No coverage. Tubino was hoping somebody would help her. And look at the glare from Mike Rafael for Jane Diaz. Trabaho niya yun as the second libero on the floor.
And you know, really, Mike Diaz. I
think I know that guy too.
Sorry. Coach Mike Rafael can actually taste it already.
Yeah.
You know, he's just 3 points away. So he wants his players to just calm and play your game.
But now it's Dakis on the serve. Jonella. Andaya. Running attack. Sandra. That falls out. So the block of Carolino goes out. 23-20. Timeout, Philippine Army.
Dalawa pa yan. Ito lang yan. Sagay natin. Ingat lang tayo sa error. Maaari, iwas error. Uli natin. Dalawa lang. John, bigyan mo lang sa hey, ingat lang sa error ha. Ingat sa error. Kailangan natin makaso ba? Tatlo pa lang yan. Tatlo.
Well, in short, they really have to play flawless volleyball. take a look at this last play once again.
That was a good service reception.
And again, Sandra just knowing how to score.
Game 1 of the semifinals.
Well, you're right, they have to play flawless because, you know, it's 23-20. They're down 2 sets.
Yep.
Chulin.
Chewy Willim. Uh-oh. This is too near the net. And a drop ball from Andaya. Basang-basa. Here is Michelle Carolino. Andaya. De Los Santos.
Again, no answer from Team Army.
I don't remember the last time Army was swept. I do not remember if Army ever lost 3 straight sets.
But you're right, as you said in the first set, the nemesis.
Ito yung kontrapelo.
Oo, kontrapelo is Cagayan.
Do they get it here? Sandra. And it's saved momentarily. One more time around. Cases. Blocked. Andaya. And down to it. Sandra de los Santos. And I believe for the first time in history, a team has won in straight sets against the Philippine Army. 25-20 is the score in the third set. Cagayan Valley takes game 1 of this best-of-3 affair. Let's take a look at our shaky shake and play. Una, hindi kinaya ni Sandra de los Santos, but in the end, she gets the final point for Cagayan Valley.